So for today's video, I'll show you how to get free Dragon Ball characters in PUBG Mobile Global. So let's go! Let's start!
Get ready.
So here's what you need to do. Go to the event, like go, and you should complete all of this. I mean, not all, but you should have 300 Dragon Ball coins. So I suggest that you complete this until you get 300 Dragon Ball coins. And once you have a 300 Dragon Ball coins, go to here and purchase this one. Purchase all 5 of this. So as you can see here, I already purchased 5 of that. So it has a lifetime limit. So I don't know if I can buy again after some time, but hopefully. So after you buy 5 of this, you can now go here and click create A and click this one. But before clicking this, just tap here, keep tapping it this just for luck, and then go here and click this one. So instead of UC, you'll see this. So the next clip will be the actual usage of the Dragon Ball crate. Yes! Oh, please! Another one. Oh, yeah. Share. Let's share this. Pa. Goku. Vegeta, Goku. Dalawa na lang. Bro. Uy. Goku lang, Goku. Please Goku. One. Please Goku. Oh, Vegeta. Goku, Vegeta. Wala, please. So that's how you get free Dragon Ball characters in PUBG Mobile Global. So I hope that you like this video and see you in my next video.
Get ready.